Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you're good. I hope everything's fine on your side, and guys, I hope you're enjoying my videos. Right, so this is a follow-up video from our previous one. So look at how beautiful our facade is. All right, make sure to check that video out and make sure you learn something from our workflow. That is the door that I added, the curtain panel door, and this was our facade. In today's video, I was roaming around Google and check this out. So this is the flowing staircase, and look at how beautiful this is. This is again a fine example of architectural art. If you open up another tab and if you just write flowing stairs, and there are so many different examples and all of them are beautiful, all of them have this separate beauty onto it. For example, look at this. So we are going to be making this inside Revit today, right? And this is going to be a commercial one, so the width has to be more, it has to be safe, and it has to be architecturally beautiful. So let's give it a go. So when you're making staircase, we kind of have a few options. For example, you have the model in place, and we have the stairs, which is sketching, but we are going to be using the roof by extrusion, right? And before we start, we definitely we need a reference stairs, right? A reference is important so that we have accuracy and it's a bit easier to sketch it. So the reference, we have to choose equal number of risers. For example, 20. Let's set this to 300, and let's go 300, and the offset the width, we can set it to 2 meters, right? Because it's a commercial place. And let's start sketching. For example, the graphic displays, we can go to fine, and now we can see bottom. So do you guys remember it was 20, right? Once we reach our 10 point, and oh my god, we cannot see anything. For example, if we go to hidden, we still cannot see wireframe. Okay, now it's much better. So this is all right, as you guys can see, this is the 10 point, right? So 10, if we just drag our mouse to the side, and again 10, here you go. So this is our staircase, we made it inside. Let's go back to our consistent color. So this is it, and now let's go for example into a 3D view and check this out. So we have successfully made a very simple staircase, and for example, if it does not reach the top, is it reaching properly the top? That is the level, and okay, so then we can even go for 18. It is then it's going to reach the top. All right, so 18, then not 20. How about we just press okay, fine. And now the first thing is always the railings. We do not need the railings, and now we have to fix this a little bit. So let's go to our edit type. The first thing is the stringers, which are these parts, these very side parts. We do not need them. If you go to apply, they'll disappear. Fine, the first task is done. Now let's go to this point right here. We do not need the risers, right? So delete the risers. The width of this, let's keep it to 100. This is important. We are going to follow this up in our roof and extrusion. The noising, which is the small area, we do not need that. Let's get it to default, and the noising is going to disappear. So this is what we want, right? A very simple staircase done. Now let's go to our front view and fine, perfect, and check this out. We have a perfect staircase. So now let's go to our roof by extrusion. Now guys, I'm going to hurry up because otherwise the video is going to be wrong. All right, so we have picked that plane, level 2, and let's start sketching and edit. Let's duplicate this. So this is going to be the flowing stairs. We have duplicated our roof, right? STARIS. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to edit, and the thickness of this is going to be 100. Do you guys remember the thickness of our threads? All right, so this is it. And for the material, let's quickly go to WOOD, anything woody, wood. Come on. We need a beautiful piece of wood. Okay, this is it. No more time wasting, which is the walnut wood. All right, walnuts. Who doesn't like walnuts? Fine, perfect. So now let's start sketching. It usually extrudes from the bottom. So let's go for the top. And the reason I wanted equal number of threads is because they are going to be connected, right? So fillet 1 and 2, and let's give it a fillet, for example, of 200. In fact, 150. Or okay, why am I making, okay, 200, and 1 and 2 and 200. Perfect. So now it's going to sketch automatically towards the bottom, and if you press OK, now do you guys remember the width of our threads. For example, if we go back to our status, if we go to edit type, the width of our, oh my god, for example, if you open this, so the width, this was the thickness, right? And the width that we set was 300. Let's go to right here, and this is of course gonna be minus 300. Okay, and check this out. So we have successfully made our first staircase. It's easy, it's nothing hard, and this was done using the roof by extrusion. If we click on that and you know, okay, how about a bit drag? Okay, fine, we have dragged it, and we have dragged it. So this is our first the first one is already completed with the wooden material right here. So very easy, nothing hard. And the reason it's looking a bit dull is because of this right here. So if we go to apply and check this out, now everything is going to be fine. So let's activate it. So after that, guys, you know, it's just copy paste. It's using the same concept, and we don't even need to make it again. If you just simply go to this, and if you go to copy and okay, and okay, so we have pasted that. But now of course that needs to be edited, right? It's perfect on this side, and this side it needs to be edited. So how about we grab the top, we bring it to this, that part, okay, and done. And how about we go to the top again, excuse me, so the top, and wait, let me double confirm it. This is the staircase that we need to edit. Okay, now top, and that has 300. So drag and drag. So check this out. So 2 of our stairs is complete. I mean, it's nothing hard, it's easy. And after that it's the same thing. All right, so it's the same thing, copy pasting and fixing it. So let's quickly do it, and I'm going to fast forward this part, right, because you guys can do it by yourself. Alright guys, so check this out. So nothing easy, we are doing the same thing again and again. Alright, it's just following the same step. Let's go, let me make another one in front of you guys, so that it's easier for you. So roof extrusion, pick a plane, and it is the 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6th step, right? Level 2, and pick that. So 1 2 3 4 5, it is the 6th step, and in this case it's going to be 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6th step, and a straight line, and connect that to right here, and then go to fillet, and select that. So 200, so 1 and 2, and a 1 and 2, perfect. And okay, check this out. So very easy, nothing hard, it's just copy paste. So guys, I'm back, and check this out. We are complete, and this is our beautiful flowing staircase. So you know, I followed the same steps and I made all of them, and look at how beautiful this is, guys. So this is a flowing staircase inside Revit. It was a fun project, I enjoyed it. And now let's click our reference stair, so we can simply just delete it. Fine. Now let's go to our slab, let's go to edit boundaries, and you know, let's try to make it a bit presentable. So for example, if we simply go to rectangle, and if we click on this edge right here, and click on this edge, so okay, so we have made our you could say our opening. And you know, for example, if the people they climb up this part and then they reach this top, they are going to be facing the opposite side of our facade, right? This is not ideal, this is not what we want. So how about we click on that, we press SA, we go to the top again, and how about we rotate this by 180. And now you know, when they reach the top, they are going to be facing the facade, and all of our modeling and everything looks completely good, right? Just check this out, everything is on point. Let's go to hidden, and for example, if we definitely need 2 supports at the bottom. So how about we go to column, structure columns, let me quickly do it. Let's go to the top, let's go to our wireframe, and top again, and vertical. So the level of this is going to be from what, from level 0 to level this is going to be from level 00 to level 0. All right, and how about we place 2 columns right here, then we go to the modify, and we click on that, let's go back to our realistic or consistent colors. So let's click on both of our columns and attach on this point right here. So check this out, we have placed 2 columns. And so this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from it. And this is our flowing staircase inside Revit. Look at how beautiful this is and how perfect our modeling is, right? So take care of yourself, and bye bye, have a nice day.